This is gonna be easy. I can do that. Yeah, I can. I just think it no, it's good.
All right, we just got ours Abeka in, and I went ahead and I opened and got the plastic off each box because that was quite a challenge. And Juliana is going to, yep, she's going to open it and show us what came in there.
I'm so excited.
All right, so.
Mommy, there's this is going to be cute. And this
Okay, so what is it? Let's see.
So first is, I think, the...
So it says arithmetic 1. Okay, what else?
And then is...
Caleb, what's that?
And it tells you 5 plus 0, 5. You write in the box.
Yep, so what is it? It's arithmetic, tests, and speed drills.
It's so cool. Wait, is this one going to be mine? This one going to be Caleb's? No, we're sharing.
No, you're not sharing. You're going to all get each one. All right, go ahead. Open the next one.
Okay. I am so happy. I'm going to look at this one. Okay, one at a time. Okay. So first is the second edition Community Helpers activity book. So it tells us that it's an activity book. Mommy, can you open this?
Okay. What do you have, Jacob? Caleb, what do you have? Caleb, let me see.
I have animals and bugs.
Let me see the cover. It says Discovering God's World Science Reader. All right.
Can you open these?
Let's see. What are these? Okay, so there's letters and sounds, test.
Here and there.
We have language, seat work, text 1.
We already did this.
Okay, hold on. What's this? Letters and sounds, phonics, text. So what's this? Hold on. All right, so we got that.
Mommy, you gotta look at this. It's second grade writing tablet.
Yep, we got second grade writing tablet.
Can you open
We got
these
letters
now?
and sounds, 1 test. I don't know if I said that one.
And then health, safety, and manners reader. So it's like manners. I can't believe the boys are going to be reading this. Wow. And I can't believe we're going to do spelling and poetry. That's a 1, so that the boys are going to read. And it looks like a little bit cursive in that. So it has like My America and My World. History, geography, reader.
Geography.
5th edition, sorry.
It's okay. All right, let's see. What did you get?
Open this.
All right, we'll open it. So that's in this box.
Jacob could do cursive.
Yeah, you guys are gonna learn cursive. All right, so hold on. We got all this stuff here.
Is this stuff?
All right, so
What was that called?
go ahead, open this box. Let's see what's in here.
Oh, it's the biggest. Oh my! Look at this. Have you found an fables. Where's the corn? And I can't find the corn. See?
All right, let's see what you have here. So there's
Stepping Stones, 6th edition, which that looks pretty cute because the boys are gonna start reading it.
mm-hmm.
And then Kind and Brave, 5th edition. Here goes. Strong and True, 4th edition. Aesop's Fables for Young Readers, 3rd edition. Tiptoes, 6th edition.
Mm-hmm.
It's very colorful inside, which that's amazing. Fun with Pets. Handbook for Reading, 4th edition. Phonics and Textbook. Secrets and Surprises. Bible! 3rd edition.
Yep, the Bible.
Primary Bible Reader. Down by the Sea, so that looks very interesting. So what's in here? What's here?
Okay, and then this is the second one. So we got.
Oh my mommy, this is the other one.
Yep,
So
you got one too.
So this is mine and the other one's Caleb.
Yep, we got one for Caleb and one.
More
I just can't wait to start
copies, so
homeschool.
both of them could do their work.
I just can't wait to start
There's
homeschool right now.
Arithmetic tests and speed.
Arithmetic.
Sorry.
Uh-huh. Okay, hold on.
Guess what, Mommy? I just can't wait to start homeschool right now.
Yeah, you want to start now?
All math editions.
Yep.
And it's going to be getting harder. Yeah, old ones was like past that little. So
Yeah, they weren't
colorful.
colors like
They weren't like
copies, so they could both do that.
Mommy, look, Abraham Lincoln and George Washington. He needs to be enough more old.
Yep.
It looks like he's Mommy.
Now, are
All right.
you guys ready for the next
Yes.
box?
But I'm just
All right,
gonna
this
go
is the
in
big
this
box.
chair.
This is the big box.
What's
All right, hold on. How about Julianочka opens one at a time? No, you can just say what it is. What is it? What does it say?
It
says right here.
It says blend practice cards B, so
Yep, blend practice cards B.
Cool.
And these are the clue words cards. Hold on, you guys. Hold on.
The last package.
And then arithmetic flashcards. What's that? Let me see.
Whoa.
What is this? Can't see.
2 vowel word cards.
Oh, there it goes. 2 vowel word cards.
Mini alphabet.
This is for
flashcards.
homeschool, like you say, like 9
D
plus 9 equals 18, and like
Okay, so it's place value, concept
100 plus
cards.
100 equals
Okay, what else?
200.
Oops.
Mommy, we did it.
Basics
Okay.
Mom, look at this. This is so cool. What is that?
Numbers,
What is-
flashcards 0 through 200.
All right, Caleb, let me see what you have. Let's see.
Homeschool combination dot cards. So cards. I'm sorry.
Mommy, Jacob can do this.
Yeah.
We
So
have
it's
that on
arithmetic
website.
1 and 2 table and facts chart.
And homeschool seat work charts.
Mhm.
Mom, that's so cute. What did you do?
Yeah, let's see. Arithmetic charts and games. Okay, hold
I
on.
have a feeling that this is the teacher's
Hold on.
book.
Mommy, this is for this over here.
Yes, but this
Yes, this is for mommy. Yeah. That's the answer key, I believe. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness.
Mommy, I'm so happy.
So that's the
And-
lesson plan guide,
And here's another.
the reader, answer key. Oh, my goodness. Everything's going to fall.
And homeschool history, science, and health 1 curriculum, lesson plans. So all of that,
Mm-hmm.
and that's all the answer key.
Okay. All right, what else, Jacob? What do you have back there?
Oh boy.
What's the front of it?
And God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. Oh, homeschool or I can't say
Arithmetic.
one, charts and games. So I have a feeling that that's like charts and games. It's falling, Mommy.
All right, boys, are you excited?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah. I'm so happy that you got. Thanks, Mom.
Aw. So we got quite a bit of stuff here.
Wait, Mom. Is this for Julie? Because there's only one.
Nope, that's
No,
for
there's
you.
the other one. Spelling and poetry one.
Why do I feel like there's stuff missing? But woo, woo! It's about to fall.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Guys. Hey, be careful.
You must bend the book.
All right.
Closer.
All right. Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
All right.
Now.
You want to start right now?
I'm doing the cursive.
All right. What are you guys gonna say?